kaayo. Kano sabi?
Yan na lang, B.
Miss, what time na?
Quarter to 12.
Pila na lang ka minutes to 12?
12 minus 11:45, so mga 15 minutes na lang.
Hala, nag-form siya ang angle.
Grabe ito, no? 90 degrees.
Connection sa subject of math.
Ha? Sumana, para ako mana.
MS3. Sama ko ba si Mama?
Anong ako? Ina si Ma'am Jackie.
Okay. In food science and chemistry department, we need math, especially in making recipes. We use ratio and proportion in preparing recipes for the different products that we are going to develop. Take for example, we are developing the ready-to-eat breakfast cereal. So, what's the use of math in formulating the ingredients for ready-to-eat breakfast cereals? So, example, we are going to prepare 110 grams of breakfast cereal. We need 20 grams of sago flour, and for every 20 grams of that flour, we need 30 grams of sugar. Okay? So, that's ratio and proportion. Then, after we develop the product, we subject our product to sensory evaluation in the field. So, we're going to, example of the sensory evaluation is the quality scoring of our product. So, how are we going to answer the questionnaire for the quality scoring? You see here, you have the appearance, very appealing, and not appealing. So, if you have this kind of data, these are qualitative data. If you have this, how are you going to statistically analyze this data? Of course, you need numbers to quantify this data and subject it into statistical analysis to arrive at a sound conclusion. Therefore, if you have that data, you subject again to statistical analysis, whatever method that you have, then maybe you can conclude that the product is very appealing, very acceptable, whatever you like. Okay, next. Another thing, math can be used in our food engineering subject. How? How can it be used? We can use the math to calculate the different process schedules and parameters to ensure efficiency, like mass balance equations. Input should be equal to output. So, things like that need math. So, thank you, math.
Oh, 30 degrees na lang. 5 minutes na lang to 12.
Okay.